Welcome everyone, good morning. Welcome to our online class organized by South Point English Boarding School. Today we discuss about the topic related to class 4 and 5. And today my topic is negative. First of all comes to is definition. What is negative sentence? A sentence that tells something no is known as negative sentence. First of all comes to is definition. A sentence that tells something no is called negative sentence. For example, just like I am not going to market. Another one is just like Ram does not cook food. Actually, negative sentence is generally contain not. If a sentence contain not, then we can say that it is a negative sentence. And how to make any sentence into negative form, we discuss about this. First of all, before that, we discuss about the types of verb, that is auxiliary verb and main verb. Two things we have to discuss. First one is auxiliary verb and main verb. If it comes to auxiliary verb, auxiliary verb are in four forms. That is, first one is be verb, another one is have verb, another is do verb, and at last are modals. In be form, it contains am, is, are, was, were. These all are the be form of a verb, auxiliary verb. In have, it comes has, have, and last had. In do form, it comes does, do, and did. And in modals, it comes will, shall, can, may, might, should, could, etc. These all are the auxiliary verb. And another is main verb. In main verb, they are in five forms, but in negative sentence, we have discussed about only three forms of a main verb. These are, first one is V1 form, second one is V5 form, and last one is V2 form. If we take any main verb, just like play, its V5 is plays and V2 is played. In this way, another just like cook, its V5 is cooks, V2 is cooked. Another just like we take write, its V5 is writes, V2 is wrote. Just like we take another just like sing, V5 is sings, V2 is sang. Just like we take another just like sleep, V5 is sleeps, and V2 is sleep. In this way, these all are the auxiliary verb and these all are the main verb. And while changing a sentence into negative, we use these auxiliary verb and main verb according to rules. Now comes to how to change a sentence into negative. How to form negative. Generally, we have to change a sentence into negative. We have to add not after the auxiliary verb. First one is add not after an auxiliary verb. Just like example, I am going to market. In this sentence, and is auxiliary verb, so we have to add not after the auxiliary verb. So its negative becomes I am not going to market. Another example, just like it may get frightened. In this sentence, may is auxiliary verb, so we have to add not after the auxiliary verb. It may not get frightened. In this way, if a sentence contains auxiliary verb, so we have to add not after the auxiliary verb to make it negative. Now another, we have to add do not, does not and did not to make a sentence negative according to the verb form. Add do not, does not and did not to form negative. In this, we have to add do not when a sentence contains only main verb V1. We add does not if a sentence contains only main verb V5, and we add did not if a sentence contains main verb only V2. Just an example, if there is verb V1 in a sentence. For example, they write a letter. They write a letter. In this sentence, write is a main verb and it is in V1 form, so we have to add do not before the main verb. They do not write a letter. It means if a sentence contains verb V1, so we have to add do not before the main verb to make it negative. Another example, just like Anil and Sohan cook rice. In this sentence, cook is in V1 form and it is a main verb, so we have to add do not before the main verb. So its negative becomes Anil and Sohan do not cook rice. It means if a sentence contains verb V1, main verb V1, so we have to add do not before the main verb to make it negative. Another one is if there is verb V5 in a sentence. If there is verb V5 in a sentence, we have to add does not before the main verb to make it negative. Just like example, just like he writes a letter. In this sentence, writes is a main verb and it is in V5 form, so we have to add does not before the main verb to make it negative. He does not, and remember the main verb V5 change into its first form V1, so it becomes write. He does not write a letter. In this way, another example, just like Manisha sings a song In this sentence, main verb is in V5 form, so we have to add does not before the main verb to make it negative. So its negative becomes Manisha does not, and remember V5 form change into first V1 form. Within V5 form, does not sing a song. It is in V1 form, and this is also in V1 form. Another one is if there is verb V2 in a sentence. If a sentence contains verb V2, so we have to add did not before the main verb to make it negative. Just like example, just like he wrote a letter. In this sentence, wrote is in V2 form, so we have to add did not before the main verb to make it negative. So its negative becomes he did not, and remember wrote change into its first verb V1, so its V1 become write. So he did not write a letter, becoming V1 form. Another take example, just like Manisha sang a song. In this sentence, sang is in V2 form, so we have to add did not before the main verb to make it negative. So its negative becomes Manisha did not, and remember V2 change into its first form V1, so its V1 becomes sing a song. So in this way we can make a sentence into negative form, but there is also another word we have to change while making a sentence into negative. Just like you have to remember these things, remembering point. Some word changes its form, just like song change into any, already change into eight, several also change into any, to change into either. We have to change these words. If a sentence is in affirmative form, if these words are given, we have to change these words into this to make negative. Just like example, I give you example. Question is song, just like he bought some pens. In this sentence, bought is in V2 form, it is a V2 or buy. So if we change its form into negative, so we have to change it. Its negative is he did not, and bought change into first form buy, V1 form buy, and some change into any. So he did not buy any pens. In this way, another example, just like already, just like he cooked meat. Sorry, he already cooked meat. In this sentence, there is given already, and there is a cooked V2 form, so its negative comes he did not cook meat, and already change into 8, but we have to write 8 at the last of a sentence. In this way we have to change 2 into either. In this way we can make a sentence into negative. In this way, today it was this. In the next class we discuss another topic.